You know, much like my soda here sweats and collects water, your heat pump does the same thing in the wintertime or in the heating cycle. You see the droplets collect here because the contents of this cup are so cold, the walls of the cup are so cold that any moisture in the air actually sticks to the cup. Over time, that moisture compounds and builds up, runs down, and creates a puddle of condensation on the ground. Nothing's leaking from the cup, but it is pulling humidity from the air and dripping that moisture onto the surface of the table. Let me take you upstairs and show you how that works on our heat pump. Heat pumps like this actually collect condensation when the coil right here gets cold, just like my cup of water. So when that water collects heavily enough, it's going to rinse off the bottom of this coil, and it's going to drip onto the roof. It may drip onto your patio, the condenser pad, whatever's outside in a water-safe environment. In some extreme cases, if some sort of scum or something develops over time, that can be pressure washed off very easily. In most cases, no additional effort is needed to make everything work perfectly. Water dries, everything's great. But if your unit is elevated, let's say this was bolted to a wall, it's in a garage or some space like that, we can actually attach a tube to the bottom of it and let it flow down and drain it in a more appropriate location. Once the unit's sitting close to the ground, there's not much downhill slope that we can utilize to drain the system in a different way. So if your condenser's outside, your heat pump is outside, and you notice water collecting on or around the bottom of the outdoor unit when it's running in heat mode, that is totally normal, totally expected, and means you're getting great heat transfer.